Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your universal tickets to Apple Wallet in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to open the official universal application on your iPhone. Then you need to sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now, in your app, simply go to the My Tickets section where your park tickets are stored. So you need to select the ticket which you want to add to your Apple Wallet. Now, when the ticket information appears in front of you, underneath it, you need to look for this option that says Add to Apple Wallet. When you are able to find this option, simply tap on it. Now, it is going to redirect you on the next page where a preview of your ticket will appear. So on that page, you just have to do nothing but to just tap on the add button on the top right hand corner of the screen and your ticket will be saved in Apple Wallet. Now, if you purchased your tickets via email, you can also open the confirmation email and check if there is an add to wallet option available there. Now, if you don't see this type of option, it simply means that your ticket type may not support Apple Wallet. So in that case, you can still use the ticket directly from the universal application by showing the barcode at the entrance. Before you arrive at the park, just make sure that your ticket is downloaded and ready on your phone to avoid any delays. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.